pangit lang din yung isang.
Good morning, Hayden brother. German footage just so our idea was perfect from the taking sell from the upside.
Alrighty. How are we doing?
Yeah,
Far out.
then the sell idea was perfect from the upside. It just not happen in the particular time period.
Right here. Look at this. So good. Damn, man.
I think yeah, we even created HCS on 5 minute.
It's on the 15 too.
On 15 May, this candle did not broke the previous candle high here, but on 5 minute, I think we kind of
On the 15 minute on the
broke
doji.
5 minute on 5 minute.
Because I see this candle. Never broke the high of that one.
Yeah, yeah.
Thick 5.
This candle. It broke the previous all the lows, highs, I mean, and it retested to this candle. This was like a attempted FU on my chart. I mean the FU candle on my terminal. So perfect HCS was here. Liquidity generated and overall our bias was bearish.
Yeah. Is anyone in this? This is lovely. Beautiful, just like looking at the way that price set up. Asian bullish, London bullish, or like buy to sell, and then recovered, made a high, retest the high, and then New York just correct the whole move. Gosh. You caught the NY. Wasn't keen at that point. Hey Rodney, how are you? And Rob. So now, let's have a look at gold. Gold pulled back into this little red zone. This red zone is just support and resistance across the board. Anyway, I'm bullish. I'm bullish because this candle, remember we were saying like once we do the wick fill and then you get like something closing above it, it was good for like another 20 pips, which was basically the 20 pips from here to here. 17 pips. But we've got more points of interest above. So let's see if we can correct some of these clean candles. Got to close above here really. This was a good little move. I need to watch this a little bit to see what we're going to get. We had New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, another large miss. These guys miss a lot. This is recently it's been very, very different. I remember once, was it I think the first time they had a bad number in a long time. Like a significantly bad number. Where was it? Where's the really bad numbers? They were forecasting bad numbers and forecasting good numbers, and it came out really bad. They revised some of these. That's a problem. Might have even been. I think it was this one. I think this is the one actually. Good numbers, and it actually was bad. But there's the first time they've reported negative number since COVID. So bad numbers, but still positive. And this one here, I remember this had a large effect. This buy made sense. The buy made sense in terms of like this is a news push. Price corrects a bit of it, and then we get the wick fill. Sarah's in it. Great. Very good. So now I'm sort of just expecting this. Maybe we'll get like first structure pullbacks, but effectively I think we can create some bullish structure from this origin. This is a double bottom though. That is one little concern. But ultimately I'm thinking we've ranged for so long in this area that it makes sense. Like, let me bring up 30-minute. Asian was bullish. London pushed down. New York sweep the London low. And now let's see if we can keep on pushing up. But we do have NYSE coming up. So whether we're going to have the volume to push and break through this candle, I would say that price might collect a couple orders a couple times more. So we'll be careful. I'll be careful. No wick on this bottom candle. So maybe we'll come back, just make a little bottom wick and then push up. Let's mark up some sessions. Do you have any ideas? Anyone else you want to share or talk about? I wish I was still holding this buy. Are you still holding this buy, actually? Or are you out of that position? Or Jazz or anyone?
No, I did not take any position. I just see the gold only.
Mm-hmm.
So might be Akshay has taken.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I didn't notice that at the start. I was in the buy from Friday in London session. If I was holding that buy still, that would have been a killer. It was such a nice day Friday. So this candle here. I couldn't see what was happening. I had to like log in when we were waiting for the sonographer. I was like trying to connect to the hospital Wi-Fi to like take a little trade. But it's like, look, not happening. You're not doing that today. Not now.
Me and Akshay, we did on Friday the gold. It was a good trade, but we closed early on 40 pips.
Oh, really?
Yes. In the beginning of the session, we have taken buy and it go up to the way, but we closed on 40 pips.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 40 pips is 40 pips. Let's hope we get a clean move like Friday was just so clean, wasn't it? Okay, so let's put in, we haven't taken the Asian low, and I dare say we're not going to take the Asian low today. Yeah, just looked at my personal account. You're still holding gold from last week. Oh, you were holding from Where were you holding from? But they're from the Friday. Yeah, Sarah's got some killer trades. Such a small trade. Gosh. Let me check all time frames. I created some you get the beers. I created some little videos for the MMBot as well. Did you guys see them? I did a little bit before. I just spoke with my my coder as well. So check. I think the screener should be working now. But I would like to catch up with a couple of you guys just to check from your side, because it works fine on mine, but I notice when I was talking to Sarah that sometimes when you're looking at, let me just bring up, for example. Okay. When you're looking at this, like these pair names, this is not uniform across other brokers. So sometimes this was not given the data that it needed, and then it was just doing a circle, never cutting off. It was just going around and around and around and around and around. So that should be fixed, should be resolved now, but I want to see from someone else's computer as well. So yeah, we'll do that after, if that's all right. Stay on the Zoom, and we'll look at that. I'll talk about how I handled the screener as well. 2-hour chart, little doji. Let's check Forex.com. Gotta be careful around this little area. Love to push up above 2020 to 2030. Okay, yeah, that works for me, Maran. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, the target for today, I am curious how today's going to close. Well, we've got the doji from both sides. I would like to see it sort of push up and reject from around 2030. Or we're going to form a resistance. We could literally form a resistance right where we are now, and then start pushing to the downside. We might even have like a little double inside day, because we don't really have a lot of news. So I really wonder, oh, Goolsby talking. Last time this guy spoke for hours. So let's check Fed Tracker. Let's see what London session has added to this mix. So before it was sitting at 16%. So now it's decreased. In the London session, a hike has decreased. This one is decreased as well. So they're more thinking that they're at terminal rate. If that's the case, then tomorrow, German 40, the further we can push down into these areas, creating like the lower bottom wick for the weekly candle, perhaps then we can start to push back up. I like how this left clean candles. I'd even set an alert later on, actually, for a late session recovery. Back above, I'll do it right now. Now they've, yeah, taken out the lows. I'll have to adjust this, but I am interested to see price sort of dig into this area and then start to push up, and then we can see maybe some of this correction. The rejection from 211, 76, 2011, I'm guessing. 76 is exactly 50% of Friday's daily candle. Oh yeah, because I didn't have that in, did I? So 50% of here. Yeah, 50% of the daily candle. A good little marker. Same then for the Thursday candle as well. From the high to the low. That's why I'm kind of interested in this zone. This is the 50% of this daily candle. This little blue area. That's where I'd like to see price push into. But the 2 hour candle, was it the 1 hour? The 2 hour on Forex.com is a nice liquidity candle. And we're sort of pushing into in the wick of this. Hour candle, same thing. So this is what I'm saying. It could literally turn around right from here. Let me just mark that one up. What are we going to look for to see whether this is going to be a stronger liquidity candle or not? What are we looking for near the top end of it to determine that? Pop quiz.
You're looking for a doji.
Or absence of one.
All right.
Yeah. Because if it where we think it might push up into here. So does this give you confidence that this wick or this 50% will hold when we start having candles like this? Like if this is also make like maybe a setup, then potentially it could just turn around from here. Or is this just a simple pullback to push up and take the high of this candle? I would say it's probably just a pullback right now. Pullback into structure. Okay, first structure, second structure, separated structures, price, create a little support candle. Can we get a confirmation of support? Or are we going to break this and do a fake out and then start pushing? Once price makes a high, look into the left, we have a point of interest. There's a zone of interest, but we do have a point of interest in the doji high, and we've really got a target. So I would like to see price push up into here. This pattern I see a lot as well. This is manipulation with the news. Remember that let's just make it expensive, slowly decrease it and see if people will see value in it, and then retest the high, and then people thinking break of the high, pile into buys, and then we start to see a deeper recovery. So I'm still hanging on to my bias bullish, bullish bias. get that one right. But we do have a clean candle here in imbalance left behind. So I'll mark the bottom of the news candle. This is COMEX open. This COMEX volume. So do we want to just return and take the COMEX volume before pushing up higher? Or was this COMEX volume, news volume, to do a buy to sell? Easy sells, closing underneath 2010 to then start pushing down again. But a close of that. 3 o'clock candle, not this current hour, which is going to be NYSE, but the hour candle afterwards. Generally, not always, but generally, you get 100 pips. So that is going to be this candle, the 3 o'clock candle. So what I can actually do is not just day of the week, sessions. Let's do sessions. I don't want to do that one, do I? Where do I have sessions twice? No, I'll do on this one. So sessions, I'll just mark up the 3 o'clock. Which should be 11 on here, I believe. So that's the 11 o'clock. No, wrong one. Okay. So bigger picture, just looking at the candles with the red stripe on it. Okay. So measuring them, how often in that hour candle from high to low, 110 pips. Actually, I can do this. Oh, no, I can't do that. Yeah, 110 pips for that one. This was a crappy day. That was bank holiday. This one here was 50 pips, so not much. This day, we got 99 pips. This day, we got 96 pips. This one, 112 pips. This day, 63. This day, 77. 112, 142. This was news, 3 o'clock news. This day, 103. This day, 164. And then we're sort of back into these ones again. So we know there's volume at 3 o'clock. So we don't need to force anything. Let price drift down. Potentially take out news lows. Correct this move, this impulsive push up because of the Empire State manufacturing. Retest this high. Break this high. Maybe another 50 pips to the top side. Because we've got plenty of points of interest from above. This could be a fake out. If this is going to be a fake out, I want to take an entry from around the down here. Because this could just be triggering buys early. Let's go to all chart view. 1 hour is looking like a bullish engulfing. Just are we finished making the lower wick of the new candle? NYSE, what kind of manipulation is it going to give us? 3 minute, 5 minute up the top, 1 minute down the bottom. Did you take any momentum trades, Maron, for Monday? Yeah, did you take any trades during Asian session this morning? No. Bit of a reversal day. All right. If I start seeing rejections here, again, then I'd potentially look to see if we can sell. Oh, okay, you're still just easing your way back into it. When you were in Italy again, is it August or is it earlier? End of August. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we've got a 3 minute candle coming to a close. Kind of keen to correct this whole move. Might have a little crack at a sell from around 2017.
I think that was the entry there.
Yeah, I was hoping it's going to come back and just give it another go. Otherwise, a clean push. But I think it could come back first. I think taking a breakout sell here, it could retrace a little bit. Hit the 2015 and then bounce and then push. Did you take a sell?
No, miss. I was looking at a 3 minute.
Oh, okay.
I was looking at 1 minute. Anyway, let's see.
Yeah, because we have left some imbalance still, some fair value gaps, and because we've got the key level here. Let's see if it does it.
Around 19 pips actually.
You took it, Ejaz?
No, I was looking at stop loss was 19 pips. I was expecting some more pullback.
Oh, I see.
So, but 19 pips stop loss was there.
Mm-hmm. If it bounces up and pulls back again, then you can get away with maybe, crush still. We might be at maybe get away with a 12 pip stop loss. The key level is tricky being right there.
That 4-hour close can give us some more idea where we are closing. Based upon that, we can decide are we pushing upside or the downside.
I'm just getting a phone call. Give me 1 second.
We can wait for this 5-minute close. Based upon this 5-minute close, if the next 5 minute is pushing to the upside and when it turning bearish, maybe we can enter there for the sell.
I mean, if it goes up to retest that week on the 5 minutes, is it?
I mean, if this 5 minute is closing like a doji candle, the next candle can push upside, retest to this candle, and when turning bearish, probably we may get an entry in the 1 minute also. Manipulation, and then maybe start pushing to the downside. Because at the bottom, we have this doji liquidity here also. So both that liquidity can be taken as you can look for those as a target.
Okay.
Here is a liquidity, another here is a liquidity at the bottom. So those two liquidity can be taken out. This is a news candle. So news candle has a bottom side liquidity, no bottom, we get that blue. So pushing into this area, then you can target this thing and the bottom one also.
Okay.
Let's see how that 5 minute close.
Yeah, there's some imbalance left on 1 minute. Just above.
This one?
Yeah. There on the left.
Let's see. Also, this is a double bottom here now. Or triple bottom, you can say. Oh, taken out that thing.
All right, I'm back. Come on, guys, because give us a chance to get in. Just retrace from here. Give us an entry. Oh, FX Trading in the stream. You took it. Congrats, mate. 8 pip stop loss. Brilliant. So good. Look at this move. This was very good.
Yeah. Actually, I would look at other time frame. I was only looking at 1 minute.
Yeah, sometimes I get confused on, not confused, sorry. Sometimes I get, because I got 4, like I don't have the premium. I don't want to have the premium where you can have like 8 charts on one, but I've got 2 screens. So sometimes I'll just copy this across, and this will be like, because sometimes I don't know whether I want to have the 1 hour, the 30 minute down here, or the 15 minute. And I always want to have 1, 3, and 5. So, but sometimes what I've been doing is like copying this across and having it on the other charts. I've got 2 times 4, and then having like 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, and then this one just having 5, 3, 1, and I don't look at really 10 minute or anything like that. Or like daily H4, H1, 30 minute, and then this one 15 minute, 5, 3, 1. I think this is looking good. I think this is looking like a similar setup as German 40. So where we did this, we clean candles here on the left hand side. Oh, let me go to the 5 minute chart a little bit easier. Oh, let me turn off that as well. So price pushed up, clean candles, but this time we've got news on gold. Then price slowly came down just before it filled everything. Did a little partial retest, so 90% chance of doing the partial retest, and then we can really start to fall away. So similar thing on gold now is that we had this clean move up. Sorry, I'll do it in the 1 minute. So we had this clean move up for the news. Price is slowly making its way down, gets to here, but then push up again, and then we can start to see it really sell off. I would like to see it take out the highs, but for the purposes of today, maybe we might, if it is breaking up here, we might not see a full correction because of the news and volume and stuff, and we might even end the day up near these highs. But if we don't get up there, then there's a very good chance that we can sell off down towards Asian low. But I think the chances of us doing that like this is not the most probable. It can do it. We've seen it do it many times. Price is always right. But a lot of the time, we will see that retest, and then we can see it really push down. That's what I'm sort of banking on. So you took FX trading. I took in the top 1 minute attempted FU doji retest entry. So here, attempted FU doji retest. So you got in 2017.9 ish.
And I was also looking at this candle, but this candle did not break that doji candle high, so that's why I hesitated to take entry there.
Oh, okay. I think that's one he took it, or I'm assuming it's they took it from. My terminal, my broker it's a break of the high. That 1 minute candle.
Oh, it did broke. Okay.
Yeah. 2018. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was saying 2017.9. Yeah, beautiful, man. Congrats, that's awesome. Okay, I want to see.
Hold it till downside till here at least, or at least this doji, and maybe bottom side this one before we get entry.
Or 2006.
We need our entry first.
Yeah. But selfishly, let's hope it comes back. So this is looking good for that little pullback right now.
Yeah, 10 minutes for the NYC.
Yeah. Come on. This is the open of that 5-minute candle. Crossing into it. A little bit of a gap imbalance here. Like ICT version. Whether it means anything or not really, don't really follow it too much, but I see clean candles here. Clean candles down, clean candles up. Just want to see rejection from this area. And change my magic keys. It's doing fixed volume and not really liking that sometimes.
That 4 hour is fighting for the closing. Right now it's doji.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There we go, fixed it, that's better. 4 hour on Forex.com.
Yeah.
Fighting for his life. 3 dojis.
Yeah.
See, the 4 hour tells me it's going up higher. Yeah, that's what I agree, Sarah. 4 hour makes me want to buy. If I see this candle close above, I might look at that buying early. Stop loss is very wide though, that's what I don't like. So I'm just going to still just observe.
right, drop.
Oh my god. Sorry about that. Are you in as well?
Yeah.
This is drop-in music.
I got it here. This.
Oh,
Perfect.
beautiful.
After this candle.
Yeah, I hesitated breaking the low, waited for it to close, and then the spread put me in down here.
See, first target can either tap this one or even go all the way to the downside also.
Yeah.
But expecting at least you can get 20-30 pips.
Yeah, I think at least if it's going to reject the 2020, at least the 50 pip move.
Mm-hmm. Nice manipulation. Now push to the downside. I mean the drop to the downside.
Man, I've got to fix this music up. It's not easy to find just music you can use.
Okay, 15-minute close bearish.
Indeed. Indeedy. Okay, we just need to see another sign of manipulation here. Another break of a high, close bearish, where prices creeping up, and then just keep on getting pushed down, and then this should start creating that bearish structure where we can start to get momentum to the downside. Till then, we're not out of the woods. This could be part of a bigger picture, just range. Just hoping this 3 o'clock candle can actually give the volume. Oh, there we go.
Drop.
Yes, sir. Come on.
Maybe securing something around that week.
Yeah,
This week.
it's about 1-to-1. That'll make up for that loss. Come on, here's the momentum. Just drop. Drop.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. Good. We did well, guys. We did
Nice.
well. Okay, so this is where we could secure some as well a little bit here.
Yeah. Secure. I already secured 50% now.
Yeah. Just make it so we can have a positive outcome for the day. And then we can get a bit more aggressive as the week goes.
I got around like 25 pips.
Yeah.
For the first TP one.
Beautiful. Alrighty. It made us wait, didn't it? Even London session, that was slow. So now we've hit this candle. Almost exactly the 50% of the wick. But we should be able to generate. I want to see it take out the news candles.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Same. Even if you go to the downside, you will see that lot of liquidity left at the downside.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah.
Anyway, securing is more important. Closing 50%, and then you can move your stop loss to break even.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to do that. Every time I did that, I got stopped out. When I don't do it, I wish I did. When I do it, I wish I didn't. I need to double bluff myself. I need to have a button that I push and it's like a mystery, and it just sits there like I don't know what I did. Oh gosh. So thinking about buying a new car now. So I'm actually, I'm not going to, I don't think, like I don't know how long I'm going to stay in the UK. So I don't want to buy a new one. I don't even want to buy one really. I prefer to keep mine. But it's getting a little bit old now. It's like 8 years old. So I'm wondering, I'm looking into those leasing car options where you can like have an option to buy it if you want, or just give it back. But then you can sort of keep it new. Then, but now I searched once on my phone, and now I'm getting like emails, like spam emails. Isn't it crazy how it happens? I don't know. I would like it's going to have to fit the pram and all that in it. So I think it needs to be like, we've got good boot space at the moment, but I really want it to be economical but a comfort. So maybe some sort of SUV.
Okay, nice push.
Yeah, this is.
I mean, a nice drop.
Yeah, there's it. Alright guys, if you took this trade, give the stream a like for me. Oh, I can't do a station wagon. They're too long. I want something a bit shorter. But I see what you mean. It's just because the parking in UK is a nightmare. So I do love small little cars, but an SUV, like, it's roomy because it's higher. All right, let's correct this whole move. Yeah, but I've never really looked into it's called, I think it's PCP or something like that. Someone recommended Carwell over here, and they can get some pretty decent options. What do you think if I put a sell in now? No, I think they missed the move. Sorry. Yeah, I'd wait for it to pull back a bit if you're going to do. I wouldn't sell as it's falling. Buying, you're going to have to wait for like. Depends on your trading time. I think waiting for buys, well, I mean, it's up to you really, because the 4 hour is quite bullish. So looking at the 4 hour, or this 4 hour, yeah, maybe around 2015, if you do see a confirmation, you could look into buys. I don't like the buys personally. But that's just me, you know. There should be moves either direction, because we've got clean candles coming down as well, so they could easily be a move back up. Depends on how long you're going to be in the trade for, but we're getting momentum, right? So be careful buying when there's bearish pressure.
So I'm done for now. So you can continue.
You're done? Now it can go back up, is it? You closed out?
No, I mean, I put my magic key and put the partial around this area.
Okay.
And another partial, I mean the full TP at the bottom. 2008.
Oh, you're gonna take off AF for the day? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm done for now.
All right. Thanks for being here, buddy.
All right. Take care. That was a nice trade, by the way.
Yeah, we did well. We did well for the conditions.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Alright, take care, everyone.
so important not to change bias. But you take care. Have a great evening, Akshay. I'll speak to you later.
Yeah. All right then. See ya.
Yeah, but like, if you're only going for 10 to 20 pips, but you were saying before as well, you're looking for one big move. So it's important not to get caught up changing bias based on what's happening on the higher time frame, a lot lower time frames as well. I think if you've missed the move, what would be really good is to sort of go back and see why you missed the move or how you could have gotten the move, and even looking at like when I was watching this, when I was trying to talk through what I was looking for. When price pushed down, little retest, fast candle. Fast candle is usually a false candle. Resistance, anticipating confirmation of resistance. Once that closed, we were getting close to, very close. It was clear what it was going to close as. That was my confirmation of resistance. Yeah, I'm break even now, Rob. And then moving, entering on this one to anticipate that I know where my stop loss is going to go, and that we're just pushed up so cleanly. It makes sense that price can do that correction, especially as it was at a zone of interest. Like not just having one zone of interest. Like I did have this as an area as well that I was interested in taking sells, and it broke through it, and then went to the next one. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, now we're pushing. This is secure, definitely. We've done a 50 pip move. Hopefully we've got another 50 pips we can drop. We know, I just showed you that 3 o'clock candle often will be 100 pip move. Yeah, you know. I made some mistakes in that first trade as well. I took a trade over here. This bloody guy got basically just showed us otherwise. And they even said, I'll wait for the 3 o'clock candle. I'm entering at 2:45, 3. Made mistakes. But my mistakes are small. My wins should make up for them. Even if I just 50-50. 50-50, that's 50% correct. Positive risk reward will put you in front. Now it's break even. So, yeah, and I've secured most of it here. I've only got 20% running. Yeah, RR's key. Definitely. Awesome, guys. Well, I think we did good. For a Monday. Got a little bit of money in the piggy bank now for the rest of the week. Slowly increase my I can start to increase the aggression on some trades if we risking a bit of the profits for like some higher outcome trades. But I think my job here is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end the stream. Thanks very much for watching. Okay. I'm going to hang around for the Zoom guys, and then let's get the EA and stuff ready so you can like trade later on. You had 500 today, now only 300 euros. Hey, money is money. Congrats. All right. Thanks, guys. I'm going to end the stream. Thanks, YouTube. I'll speak out to you tomorrow.